If you want to record the screen on your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just look for the screen recording option. If you cannot find the screen recording shortcut in the control center, just swipe to the right side and tap on edit. Now from here, just look for the screen recording shortcut. As you can see, this is the screen recording shortcut. Now just drag it to the control center. And after you add the screen recording shortcut to the control center, then tap on done to save. And as you can see, we have successfully added the screen recording shortcut to the control center. Now to start screen recording, just tap on the shortcut over here. Select allow. Now from here, just tap on the red dot over here to start screen recording. And as you can see, we have started screen recording. Now to stop screen recording, just tap on this shortcut on the screen and tap on the red square icon on the screen. And as you can see, we have successfully recorded the screen on our smartphone. Now to find your screen recordings, just open the Gallery app. Now you will find all your screen recordings in your Gallery app. Now just select allow and select allow all the time. And this is how you can record the screen on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.